Now let's discuss question number 67. It states that one of the factors of x raised to the power 4 plus 7x squared plus 64 is. So basically you have to factorize this given expression, which is x raised to the power 4 plus 7x squared plus 64, and you need to obtain its factors. So it cannot be factorized quite easily using the middle term splitting or factorizing. So let's simplify it. So we have x raised to the power 4. If I put here 16x squared plus 64, then I will be subtracting here 9x squared. So I have added and subtracted 9 to obtain here 16x squared. This gives me here x squared plus 8 whole square minus 3x whole square. So you can see it's taking the shape of the algebraic identity a square minus b square. So it could be easily factorized as x square plus 8 plus 3x and x square plus 8 minus 3x. So out of these four options, you can clearly figure out the correct factor. Here I get the correct answer as option number 4, which is x square minus 3x plus 8. I hope it is clear to you. Let's proceed to our next question. Now let's solve this question number 68. The value of 0.1 bar plus 0.01 bar, where you have bar over only 1, plus 0.001 bar, here also you have bar over only 1, is equal to which of these options? So here in this case I have this expression which is a non-terminating and repeating type of number. So here this will reduce to the form 1 by 9 when I convert it in terms of p by q, and this will become 1 upon 90, and the third term will become 1 upon 900. When you take LCM, on taking LCM and simplification, you obtain this as 111 upon 900. So this could be easily simplified by 37 times and 300 times. So the correct value of this is 37 upon 300. So the value of this given expression is 37 upon 300. So correct answer is clearly option number 4. So I have obtained the correct answer as option number 4. I hope it is clear to you. Let's proceed to our next question. Now let's discuss question number 69. It states that which of the following is a rational number? So very first you have to simplify all these expressions given in each of the options, and you need a rational number. That means its power should be 1. So here when I simplify this cannot be further reduced such that it takes the shape of rational number. Here this one will be also solved and still you won't get a rational number. Coming to the third option also, when you will be simplifying it, when bases are same, powers get added up, still you won't be getting the power which simplifies to the value 1 or which gives you a rational number. But here when we come to option number 4, this is 6th root of this expression where same bases are taken as product. Same bases are taken as product, so power gets added up and you get here 102 upon 51 raised to the power 3. So this is clearly simplified, and when you simplify this, here this becomes 6th root of 3 raised to the power 6. So finally you will obtain here answer as 3. So in other of the cases I am not getting a rational number as answer. That is only obtained in option number 4. So here I get the correct answer as option number 4. I hope it is clear to you. Let's proceed to our next question. Now let's solve question number 70. Here it states, in the given figure, if b minus d is equal to 80 degrees, that is b degrees minus d degrees is equal to 80 degrees, m degrees is equal to 140 degrees, and m degrees plus e degrees is equal to 2c degrees, then you need to figure out the value of a degrees plus d degrees whole minus e degrees plus c degrees whole. So here in this figure you can observe we have this quadrilateral ABCD where clearly P and Q are representing the straight line. Here when I see the given information, M is measuring 140 degrees. M and D both are linear pair angles. If M is 140 degrees, D will measure 40 degrees. In this equation, B minus D equal to 80 degrees. If you substitute D equal to 40 degrees, then B minus 40 degrees will be equal to 80 degrees, resulting the value of B equal to 120 degrees. Now if B is 120 degrees, its linear pair angle E will be measuring 60 degrees. Now let's substitute the value of M degrees and E degrees in this equation. where m degrees is 140 degrees, e degrees is 60 degrees. So 140 plus 60 is equal to 200 degrees. 200 degrees is equal to 2c degrees, resulting the value of c equal to 100 degrees. If c is measuring 100 degrees, then its linear pair angle will measure 80 degrees. Now when we observe this quadrilateral ABCD, here we know the three angles of the quadrilateral. Fourth can be obtained by taking angle sum property. And when you take here the angle sum property, this fourth angle will be obtained equal to 20 degrees. So you have to take angle sum property of quadrilateral to obtain this angle. So its linear pair angle is A. So A will measure here 160 degrees. So now you are aware with each and every angle of this figure. So let's substitute that in required expression. Here A degrees is 160 degrees, D is 40 degrees, minus I have E plus C, that is 60 degrees plus 100 degrees. When I clearly simplify this, I obtain the result as 40 degrees. So the value of this required expression is 40 degrees. That is option number 4. This is the correct answer for this question. So in this way, after obtaining each and every angle, I am able to obtain the correct answer for this question. I hope it is clear to you. So this is the end of the discussion of the mathematics part of class 9th Code R. I hope all the questions are clear to you. All the best for your results.